off the cold. And what's up? We are doing a vlog today. Making some food here. Got some eggs going, got some meats, a little OJ, a little salad. Should be a good time. I've been working to eat at home a little bit more. I'm on this bulk right now, so trying to get more protein in the start of the days, and it's been going well so far. I think everything, at least in my life to some degree, is about progress, right? So if I'm just kind of maintaining my weight, I feel like I'm not really progressing. I think it's the same with business, same with sales, everything like that. But we are having a little burger today with the eggs, a little salad, OJ. OJ is nice to get those extra calories in. So, but today we are planning to go downtown in Toronto. I think we're either going to go to the Well, and by we I mean myself. Maria's at school, but we're either going to go to the Well. I'm going to go to the Well, grab probably a coffee out there, maybe do some work, or going to end up going to Yorkville area. So we used to live actually in Yorkville last year, so I guess 2023, and then we moved into our new apartment here in like August of 2024. So kind of just getting situated. But yeah, you guys can see everything I got here today. Got the free range eggs, the OJ. Might have some of this, but that's our protein for today. If that doesn't look amazing, then you guys gotta be tripping. But I'm a little fry this up, and then we've actually been going pretty hard with content these days, so kind of just trying to share more of the journey. Right now it is, I'm not even sure what day it is. I think it's Tuesday. I head on over to the computer here. Yeah, 11:42 Tuesday. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's Tuesday, January 14th, and I'm so blessed being able to be at home cooking eggs, not going in, enjoying the time on the little couch here. Got an espresso machine. Look at that beauty. Wow. But you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this. It's funny, I always imagined life to be like this. Back in college, the thought of having to go to class and even waking up at a certain time always kind of frustrated me. And it got to be probably about junior year. I really wanted to drop out, and luckily I didn't. I'm really glad I ended up going to college. I think college actually taught me a lot about how to think, right? I think the actual topics that we covered weren't that important, but actually understanding how to communicate with people, I think was, a pretty good benefit from going to university. And even it was like the small things. It was like eating breakfast with people. There's this book called Never Eat Alone, and it teaches you about like networking and making sure you're always, trying to make new connections and stuff. And I think college was great for that, right? But on the other side, right, it's like, what's the path after university? And for a lot of people, that was, getting a normal job. And if I was at a normal job right now, I would not be here at Tuesday eating breakfast at, heck, it's almost noon, right? So it's really interesting to, kind of see where everyone's at these days. And I've seen so many of my friends from university who worked with normal jobs actually start doing stuff on social media. They got into sales, right? They're starting businesses. They're doing all these different things, and it's really cool to see. So it seems like more and more people are waking up finally, but that's part of it, man. This is really good. Yeah, this beef patty, very good. I'm like 180 pounds right now. So I'm like 5'11", 180 pounds. So you have to eat like 180 grams of protein a day to like maintain your muscle. And then to put on, I think you're supposed to eat like 1.2. So I'm trying to eat like 220 grams of protein a day right now. So I'm trying to get my squat maxed up. These sort of breakfasts though, with like 10 different things. So good, man. Yeah, I'm thinking we show you guys what it looks like more in a day in my life here. I'm not sure we're gonna end up hitting the gym. We might do that later in the day. But I want to at least do a few coffee shops. Coffee shops is like my big thing here. But I'll have to take my backpack, which also kind of annoying. We're trying to get like a briefcase all set up, but I feel like we like don't go out that much, especially because it's winter and it's snowing right now. So this stuff, look at that. Prosciutto, beef, like you can't go wrong. And then these spiced pear, look at that. Spiced pear. All right, so we're about to go head out to the coffee shop now. Just wrapped up breakfast, but before that, going to be checking in with some of the team. Also, kind of going through the promos that we just launched out for Modern SDR today, and taking you guys through that. So part of my day is actually arranging a lot of these promos. So sometimes you'll actually see, you guys have probably even seen us over like on Instagram. So here's one of the promos that we have ran. So we actually partner up with some of these other pages on Instagram. This one looks like it's performing pretty well, liked by probably 2,400 people. So this has probably been seen by a ton of people over on Instagram. And then ultimately people will reach out if they want like our sales script, and they'll just DM me the keyword start to actually make sure that's all good. And this is actually where to a lot of our students actually get started with us over on Instagram. A lot of people think these are scams, but it is fully legitimate, and that's how we've actually helped out a ton of people. Once people start working with us too, they actually get full access into our Modern SDR community. So it looks like Elias started last night, just got welcomed in by one of our other students, Rajal. Right now, we just passed about 1,835 members. So that's awesome. Looks like Javier started about a day ago. Erica started a day ago as well, fellow Ontarian, Angel. So lots of good people. I think one of my favorite things too inside of this whole community is our role play channel as well. So you'll actually see other students practicing sales and actually like going through this whole process. So I won't actually let the noise play here, but looks like Samuel, one of the students, actually got to connect with Erica, and that was awesome to see them practicing out here with sales. So really cool stuff, but I will catch you guys going to the Uber, and we'll see you at the coffee shop. So it's like negative 11 degrees Celsius today, so bundled up, getting everything locked away. We're good. Let's head down. So the good thing is that we're literally right outside the door. So I literally just walked down and we're like outside. So just waiting on the Uber now. Hopefully he's coming soon. I like how he hooks us up. Oh, it's cold. Today we're headed to Ossington. So I think it's like right on like College and Ossington. I'm as they like to call, locationally challenged. I'm gonna probably stop at a coffee shop, get some stuff sorted there. It's so fucking windy, and it's not like cold normally until you have the wind. So it's been trying to deal with that, and I'm just trying to find where my Uber is. He's in a silver Toyota Sienna. How's it going? Do you care if I vlog in here? We just got picked up. This is Toronto winter right here, right? Look at that. So mainly throughout the day, we do a lot of check-ins with Slack. So Slack is kind of the stuff that the company uses. So it's nice to be able to do that here, even in the car at the moment. But we just onboarded 3 or 4 new people onto the team. So just making sure that they're all squared away here with all like the logins for things, making sure they know the SOPs, make sure they know the sales scripts, everything like that. And just making sure that they're all set up and squared away. We'll be heading out to find a good spot there over on Ossington and College Street here soon. So yeah, just making sure that's all squared away now. We just got dropped off. If there's anything I realized about Toronto is that it's really fucking cold, and you can see
I mean, this is snow everywhere here. So we've been putting up with that. I'm from Texas. Also a lot of Hawaiian blood, so none of this shit is familiar at all. But I think the coffee shop, well, I walked by the coffee shop that I'm going to film this, but we're gonna head back. We're gonna get some work done, and I'll catch you guys on the inside. We just got into the coffee shop. Today, I'm mainly working on putting together new modules for our students inside of the Modern SDR. Today, we're actually getting some good stuff together for objection handling. So the biggest thing inside of the program right now that a lot of people have questions about is how to handle different objections, whether it's like a think about it objection, trust objection, cost objection, finance objection, things like that. So today, that's what we're going to be building out, putting together some more in-depth trainings for those students there, and hopefully helping them out quite a bit. You guys can kind of see if I can pull this up here, but you can kind of see on the computer there, I'm kind of pretty much building out Miro workflows. So it's workflow of like, hey, a prospect says, hey, I have to talk to my business partner. I'll say something like, cool. I mean, just so I have a little bit more context, I mean, what would you be discussing with your business partner? Then they're probably going to give me some sort of finance objection, so I have to handle that. Like, no worries. Investment aside, you guys actually see this helping you ultimately land more customers, double company profits, and get out of XYZ pain. So from there, right, they'll have like two different routes, and then kind of breaking down exactly how to handle that from there. But yeah, it's pretty good stuff. So I'll catch you guys after we run through that. All right, so we're wrapping up here at the if I can open this door. We're wrapping up here at the coffee shop. I probably was there for about a few hours, 2-3 hours, but we're gonna go head on over to the pho place down the street. This is my favorite pho place out here in Toronto, and I think we're going the right way. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, this is my favorite pho place out in Toronto. Generally, it's like all cash, and you go in. It's like all family. It seems like it's family owned and operated, and I think that's been my favorite place or a favorite thing about Toronto so far is that there's so many kind of hole in the wall spots that me and Maria found. We found a few speakeasies that we really like out here as well. I don't drink like a lot, but I always can do a nice old fashioned and enjoy that for sure. So we're gonna go get that, and hopefully my hands don't fall off here. It's been freezing out here. Tien.
Tell me where you day. Lati Saturday. I go meet you there. Cause I miss you.
Thank you. So sadly my mic died, but I think today we're gonna get probably either some sort of like wonton soup, maybe some vegetable spring rolls, and then if we head on over here, I got my pho Thai rare beef right there. So we just got this big bowl, little pho, but look at that. There's a beauty. There's a beauty right there. Really good food. Gonna go find the next coffee shop now. Look at that beautiful, look at that sunset. Wow. That's life after remote triaging right there, baby. It truly saddens me to see. I was kind of thinking here at the pho place, but it truly saddens me to see individuals, you know, that have so much potential in life. They have so much going for them, and they let the little things, like whether it's talking to their spouse, you know, talking to their husband, talking to their wife, talking to their family, right, about, you know, decisions that could ultimately change their life, and then seeing their family members, their spouse, their loved ones, you know, who in their mind think they're helping those individuals by telling them not to pursue different avenues or pursue different things, right? But ultimately holding them back from success. I think that's honestly the saddest thing, is seeing the family members, the friends of people with all this potential, right, holding them back from making decisions that will ultimately change their life, right? So don't let, right, other people's beliefs and their limiting beliefs hold you back from getting to where you want to be, because you're the actor in your own life, right? You're the person that's going to have to live with every choice you make. But I think we found the next one we're going to. So this is here. You put your body into it. I can see what you're doing. Carry me to go. So looks like we're getting kicked out of this coffee shop. It's closing. The whole thing's closing. So we're gonna call an Uber back home. I think this is probably gonna wrap up here, this day in the life video. But yeah, luckily Ubers aren't too expensive. It's like 27 bucks. So it's not too bad. And we get to avoid the cold. I think that's always nice, right? So we'll be headed back home. I'll catch you guys up when we get there, and I'll see you in the crib, in the house. So kind of crazy, ran into someone actually over from Instagram. We'd been chatting in DMs, and it was probably one of the setters on our team as well. But she actually walked up to me at the coffee shop. We had like a whole good conversation, but it was cool to actually meet people in real life that, you know, you see on social media. It's happened to me a few times, but I think now that we're in like the same spot, and hopefully all the content starts getting shown to like people out in Toronto and other places in Canada, hopefully we can start meeting some of you guys. But anyways, I hope you got some value from this. Hope you got to enjoy seeing, you know, kind of what it's like inside a day in my life. And I'll see you guys on the next one. This has been Kekoa. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.